Hi, welcome to another quick video of my Stour Valley Dream project layout based on Clare in Suffolk. It's been a week or so since I managed to make the first trains go round and round the room. There's been quite a lot of work in rewiring the layout and trying to remove some of the jerry rigging that was put in place to make that milestone. And I thought I'd try and drive some trains around and prove, hopefully, that scale 4 locomotives can stay on the track. So from the far end of the room, you can see the fiddleyard on this side of the room, which now has both roads working. My strange cassette clamps seem to work quite nicely, and I've now got the turnouts at either end wired remotely. So our freight train can leave the fiddleyard. This is almost the longest sort of freight train that I can manage. We come round the corner, which is about a 3'6" radius curve, so that's quite steep for scale 4, but when you're on the inside of the curve it doesn't look too bad. So we've just progressed past the mill. We're going over the site of our bridge over the River Stour. The goods yard of Clare Station is in the background, coming up to the start of the loop, and now moving on into the platform. One of the other things I've been doing over the last few days has been to start to connect up and wire up the lever frame and get it into a position where it can reside. It actually slides backwards and forwards so that I can push it in under the layout for safekeeping. I've got most of the levers painted the right colours. I ran out of white for the spares. Now, with a bit of luck, I ought to be able to pull lever 7 to get back into the yard. And so with access to the yard gained, we're now going to shunt back. This is a complete mix of stock. It's got stuff with posh sprung chassis, stuff with just the original Hornby and Bartman wheel sets replaced, but that's going quite nicely back into the lay-by siding in the yard. And now our branch passenger train can leave. I think the squeak indicates that the brakes are not quite coming off the tender. But away goes the E4. There we go, here comes the DMU. So as you can see, I've been having some fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Do let me know what you think.